In the last video, we were making our snowman. You will get the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. Now we will add more sticks to the top sticks. We'll mark on 6 inches. We'll add a ring to the mark. We'll mark on 6 inches. We'll add another ring to the mark. Fold a stick and attach it to the frame like this. We'll mark it at 4 inches and fold it and add it to the frame like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. Folding sticks in this way will add. A stick will be folded like this and attached to the frame. This has become the head of our snowman. We will cover this big gap by adding sticks. Full head is covered. Now we will cover it by sticking newspaper on it. Top or bottom we would not cover. Now we will take it out of the cylinder. We will open these sticks of bottom shape. Turn the stick on the outside, side down. Now we will put the belly and the head part of the snowman on the bottom part. Now we will connect the stick of both the part together. Both the parts are connected, you can see. Now we will fold one stick down and leave one. Now we will add a ring at the top. Adding sticks to it, cover it from above as well. We'll mark on the folded sticks at 3 inches and cut it apart. Adding sticks to it will give it the shape of a hat. Snowman's head and hat is done, you can see. Now we will cover it by sticking newspaper. In the next part of the video, we will complete our snowman. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.